Hello, this is the Daikin MMI controller. If you want to make a slight adjustment to the flow temperature coming from the heat pump to your radiators or underfloor system, you can do that very simply by increasing the offset temperature. So your contractor will have set a maximum flow temperature and a minimum flow temperature for the system. But to make slight adjustments to this, if you feel you need a little more heat or a little less heat going through your radiators underfloor, you can do it simply by this. So you have the two large buttons, left and right, and the buttons in the middle. So if you start from your home screen, turn the left hand knob until you go to main zone, press enter, and then you've got the two button options, and you can tell that by the two lines, one on each side, which corresponds to the edge of the buttons. So at the moment, this particular heat pump, the flow temperature is set for 29 based on the outside temperature. But if you want to make the water temperature slightly warmer, you go to the right hand button, you have a plus and minus, and you can increase that offset. So say we want to increase it by 3 or 4 or 5, whatever it is. So we'll make it simple for this. Enter. Come back, and what will happen is the heat pump will then give 10 degrees more flow temperature. If we go back into this and you want to adjust it again, you'll see it was from 29, it's now 39 degrees, but because we've added 10 just for simplicity. But we can bring that back and we can make that actually a minus if we wish. And a little arrow indicator that you can see moving gives indication as well of where the set point is. So we bring this back to 0. We'll go back to the home screen again. So this bottom bit tells you this 29 is the flow temperature requested. And if we go back in again just to look, main zone, and you'll see it's back to 29 again.